learning, maintenance engineering, and reliability systems have been widely recognized in the international journals. Manipal in 2021. Commander Rana has been instrumental in driving academic excellence, innovation, and adaptability in the ever-evolving technological landscape. He believes that embracing change and continuous learning are the hallmarks of effective leadership, values he embodies in every role he undertakes. Ladies, please join me in warmly welcoming our esteemed guest, Commander Dr. Anil Rana. We were expecting his wife, Shikha Rana, also to join us, but I guess she's traveling, so she's not able to join us. I ask our President, Tanuja Maben, to please join. We request our President Tanuja to address the gathering, and we want Sir to give us few inspiring motivational words or sentences.
Good afternoon, everybody. When women come together with a shared vision, then they don't have to follow the path, they create a new one. So once again, good afternoon, everybody. And we have here the leaders, the entrepreneurs, the members, and also the change makers. It's an absolute delight for me to welcome everybody over here to mark the grand countdown of Power Parva. Today, as we march together, we are not just walking towards an event, we are marching towards a movement of empowerment, leadership, and success. There's a beautiful quote that says, "Dreams don't work unless you do." And today we are a living proof that when vision meets action, dreams turn into reality. Power Parva was once an idea, a dream, a spark in the founder members and the members of the past 16 years. And now it's a grand celebration of every alternative years that brings us all together in one powerful force. From our dedicated members to our tireless organizers, every step taken towards this event is a step towards growth, connection, and transformation. So today we have Colonel Anil Rana, Director. Your leadership and guidance inspire us to aim higher and achieve greater milestones. So if you have to put it in a very, the moment of this is, we are here to create, we are here to lead, and we are here to empower. So, the Power Parva, finally, after a toll of several months, we are here to take the first launch of rally over here. And it's an excitement, it's an power of all the ladies over here, and it's a great celebration too. So we are marching ahead to see forward 3 days ahead in our life, that what women can do and how women can lead the entire society. So these 3 days where we have the entertainment, we have competitions, we have the stalls, and we have various programs which brings in all the residents or the people over our vicinity to be with us, to enjoy with us, to celebrate with us, and to have a great business. So with this, I would also welcome the entire team of mine, the founder members over here, and all the members, all the organizers, all the sponsors, and many other associations, people might be here, and everybody. I once again welcome, and let us move forward. Thank you very much. Over to you.
I would request Commander Dr. Anil Rana to say a few words.
Thank you so much. A very good afternoon to all the wonderful ladies who are present here. And I am really honored to have been invited on this wonderful occasion. I was just mentioning about the Manipal Entrepreneurship Summit that gets launched tomorrow, and that is entirely by the students of MAHE, at least it's led by the entrepreneurship cell of MIT. And the idea is to allow students to come together to a platform where they can dream about entrepreneurship and also work and plan and get supported by various venture capitalists and the experts from the industry who will be present. It also gives me great pleasure to see how all the ladies of here, Manipal, Udupi, have come together to empower the ladies to take the entrepreneurship journey, and this is amazing. So I wish Power Parva 2025 great success. Just to add as to how much I have experienced about women empowerment, as to my own story, which was mentioned in a brief there. We generally come from a family where everybody is served in the forces. So my uncles were all in the army. My grandfather fought for the Royal Indian Army those days. My father, for some reason, decided to join the Indian Navy. And he went down with his ship in 71 war. And we were very small. I was about 4 years. My brothers were about 2 years elder to me and all that. And we were all brought up by single-handedly by our mother. And she was absolutely strict disciplinarian. She knew what she wanted from us. And she always gave us those values and principles that guided us throughout our life. And we always wanted to join the Navy right from the beginning. I remember when I must have gained consciousness, all I used to believe is to sail in the warships of the Indian Navy, and that is what we did at the end. But then I know that she struggled and she really kept us aloft in the difficulties of the life, and whatever she did for us. And as a result, all three of us served the nation with pride. And that is what women empowerment can do. Each woman you empower an entire family. This is the truth. Thank you so much for all of you to have come together and organize this event. I wish you all the great success, and may every year your organization and the event grow strength by strength. Every year it should grow. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.
I would like our President Tanuja to give a small token of appreciation to Sir.
The 8th and 9th, all the 3 days. Yes, sir. Yeah, before that, we would like this opportunity. I think all of us are grateful to Manipal Academy of Higher Education, Manipal University, basically because cradle rules the world is the message you have given, and all of us must empower each other. Thank you very much for your presence, sir.
Before we blow the balloon, we just want to take 1 minute so that our president can also tie up the turban so that we all look one. So 1 minute, sir. I know that your time is very precious. You had told me when we entered into your office only that I'll be definitely coming, but time is very important. Yeah, we'll.
What you see is by 4:30. Our girls don't come out in the sun, after a good facial. So we are not supposed to come out in the sun for 24 hours. So maybe that could be one of the reasons. But frankly, on a serious note, because you had to leave the premises, we had to accommodate this. And so you see only few of us representing here. We are mighty power indeed, like your mighty Manipal. We are also mighty power actually. So all of us are grateful once again. And our founder members, I request them to just, and past president Sham Saroja Acharya, Sarita Santosh of Sunshine Travels, Rachna Arora is all the way from US for us here, for the Parba. That's the love she has for power. Sadhna Kini, past president and founder member, Veena Kuduva, again founder member and the prospective president. I am the founder president, Renu Jairam.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ. ನಾವು ಇಷ್ಟು ದಿನ ತನಕ ಕಾದುಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದಿರುವಂಥ ಪವರ್ ಪರ್ಬ ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಸಾರಿ, 1 ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡು. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ. ನಾನು ತನುಷಾ ಮಾಬಿನ್, ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಪವರ್. ಸೊ ನಮ್ಮದು ಪವರ್ ಪರ್ಬ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುವಂಥ ಒಂದು ಪರ್ಬ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುವಂಥದ್ದು ಶುರು ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ಈವೆಂಟ್ 7, 8, 9ಕ್ಕೆ ಕ್ರಿಶ್ಚಿಯನ್ PU ಗ್ರೌಂಡಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆಯಲಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಟಾಲುಗಳು, 150ರಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಟಾಲುಗಳು, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂಟರ್ಟೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಮನರಂಜನೆ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳಿದೆ. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಈ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಮಿಸಿ ಆನಂದಿಸಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತೇಳಿ ಕೇಳಿಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್.
ಫೌಂಡರ್ ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಪವರ್ ಎಂಕಲ್ನ ಒಂದೇ ತಿಂಗಳು ಫೆಬ್ರವರಿ 7th 8th 9th ಎಂಕಲ್ನ ಮಹಿಳಾ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಒಂಜಿ ಮಹಿಳಾ ಉದ್ಯಮಿದಾರರ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಆದ ಪವರ್ ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಫ್ ವುಮೆನ್ ಆಂಟ್ರಪ್ರಿನರ್ಸ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ಡ್ ಮುಕ್ಕಲು ಪ್ರತಿ 2 ವರ್ಷಗೊರ ಪವರ್ ಪರ್ಬ ಪಂಡದು ಮನ್ಪುವೆರ್ ಒಂದು ಮಹಿಳಾ ಉದ್ಯಮಿದಾರನ ಉತ್ತೇಜನಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಮನ್ಪುನ ಪರ್ಬ ಒಂದು 5th ಎಡಿಷನ್ ಇತ್ತೆ ಆವೊಂದುಂಡು ಒಂದೇ ಕ್ರಿಶ್ಚಿಯನ್ PU ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ಸ್ ಉಡುಪಿಡು ಫೆಬ್ರವರಿ 7th 8th and 9th ಮುಕ್ಕಲು ಪೂರ ಬರೋಡು ಪೂರಕ್ಲ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮನ್ಪಡು ಪೂರಕ್ಲೆಗ್ಲ ಮೂಲು ದಾದಾಂಡ್ಲ ಒಂಜಿ ಉಂಡು ಮಹಿಳೆಯರು ಮಾನಿಯರು ಜೋಕುಲ್ಲು ಪೂರ ಒಂಜಿ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿಗ್ಲ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ನ್ಲ ಲೆತ್ತೊಂದು ಬಲ್ಲೆ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಹಿಡ್ದು ಬತ್ತಿನ ಎಂಟರ್ಟೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬತ್ತಿನ ಫುಡ್ ಬತ್ತಿನ ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ಸ್ ಬತ್ತಿನ ಪೂರೆಲ್ಲ ಉಂಡು ಮೂಲು ನಿಕ್ಲು ಪೂರ ಬತ್ತದು ಎಂಗ್ಲ ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಕೈ ಜೋಡಿಸೋರು ಪಂಡದು ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನೊಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಮಾತರೆಗ್ಲ ಮಸ್ತ್ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೆ. ನಾನು ಶ್ರುತಿ ಶೆಣೈ ಅಂತ ಪವರ್ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯಿಂದ. ಪವರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾಟ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಫ್ ವುಮೆನ್ ಆಂಟ್ರಪ್ರನರ್ಸ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್. ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಇದು ಪವರ್ ಪರ್ಬನ್ನು 5ನೇ ಬಾರಿಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷ ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ಸ್, ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಫೇರ್, ಹಲವಾರು ಕಾಂಪಿಟಿಷನ್ಸ್, ಎಕ್ಸಿಬಿಷನ್ ಕಮ್ ಸೇಲ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವಲ್ವ, ಅದು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಇದರಿಂದ ಸಾಧಾರಣ ನಮಗೆ ಕಾಶ್ಮೀರಿಂದ ಹಿಡಿದು ಕನ್ಯಾಕುಮಾರಿ ತನಕ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು ಸುಮಾರು ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಹಲವಾರು ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಇದು ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಬನ್ನಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಇವರಿಗೆ ಮಹಿಳೆ ಉದ್ಯಮರಿಗೆ ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ, ಇದರಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೆ ಪ್ರಯೋಜನವಾಗಲಿ. ಇಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಉಡುಪಿಯಿಂದ ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಮಾರಾಟ ಆಗಲಿ, ಅವರ ಒಂದು ಆಂಟ್ರಪ್ರನರಿಯಲ್ ಜರ್ನಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಉತ್ತೇಜನ ಸಿಕ್ಕಲಿ ಅಂತ ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಅಷ್ಟು ಹೇಳುತ್ತಾ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.
ಸುವರ್ಣ, ಯಾನ್ ಈ ಸಲ ಪರ್ಬ 25ದ ಚೇರ್ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಆದೋಲೆ, ಇಡೀ ಇವೆಂಟ್ ಚೇರ್ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಆದೋಲೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಪರ್ಬ ಒಂದು ನಮ್ಮ 5ನೇ ಎಡಿಷನ್ ಒಂದು ಈ ಸಲ ಆಪಿನ ಪವರ್ ಪರ್ಬ ನಮ್ಮ 5ನೇ ಎಡಿಷನ್. ನೆಟ್ ಪರ್ಬ ಪಂಡ ನಮ್ಮ ತುಳುಟು ಪೂರಗಲೆಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತು. ನಮ್ಮ ಪರ್ಬದ ಲೆಕ್ಕನೆ ಫೆಸ್ಟಿವಲ್ ಮಲ್ತಂದಿಲ್ಲ ನಿಗಿಲ್ ಇತ್ತೆಲ್ಲ ತೊಗೊಂದಿಲ್ಲಾರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಲ್ತಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಪಂದು ಬೊಕ್ಕ ನಮ್ಮ ಈ ಪವರ್ ಪರ್ಬದ ವಿಶೇಷತೆ ಪಂಡ ಏನಪ್ಪಣ್ಣ, ನಮ್ಮ ದಾಯಕ ಒಂದೇನು ಮಲ್ತೊಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಪಂಡ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಹಿಳೆಯರು ನಮ್ಮ ದುಂಬರೋಡು ಪಂಡ ಮಹಿಳಾ ಉದ್ಯಮಿಲು ಗ್ರಾಮ ಬಕ್ಕ ಮುಂದೆಟ್ಟು ನಗರಡು ಇತ್ತಿನಗಲು ಒಂಜಿ ಮಹಿಳೆ ಇಲ್ಲಡಿ ಏನೇನಾಗಲು ಮಲ್ತೊಂದುಪ್ಪೇರು ಅಗಲಿಗೆ ಒಂಜಿ ಎಡ್ಡೆ ದಿನ ವೇದಿಕೆ ನೆಂಕಲು ಕೊರೊಂದುಲ್ಲ. ಅಗಲೇನು ಒಂಜೆ ಉಂದೆಟ್ಟು ಒಟ್ಟು ಮಲ್ತದೆ. ಅಗಲಿಗೆ ಬೋಡಾಪಿನಂಚಿತ್ತಿನ ಮಾರುಕಟ್ಟೆದ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ ಅಥವಾ ಅಗಲಿಗೆ ಬೋಡಾಪಿನ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕಲ್ ಏನು ಬೋರ್ಡು ಅವೇನು ನಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಮಲ್ತೊಂದಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಕ್ಕ ಅಗಲಿಗೆ ವ್ಯವಹಾರ ಜ್ಞಾನ ಕೊರೊಂದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಂಚ ವ್ಯವಹಾರ ಬಲ್ಪೊಲಿನೆಟ್ ನಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂಜಿ ಮಹಿಳಾ ಉದ್ಯಮಿ ಆವಲಿ ಪಂದು ದೋಜರೆ ಆಪುಣ್ ನೆಟೆ ಮಿತ್ತ ಬರೋಲಿ. ಬಕ್ಕ ಆರ್ಥಿಕತೆ ಪಂಡ ಒಂಜಿ ಮಹಿಳೆ ಇವನು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಂತ ಅಲ್ಲ ಉದ್ಯಮ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆರ್ಥಿಕತೆ ದುಂಬು ಬರ್ಪಲು ಪಂದು ಎಂಕಲೆ ಎನ್ನುವ ಪಂಡ ಪೂರಗಲ ಒಂದು ಮಲ್ಪೇರು. ಬೊಕ್ಕ ನಮ್ಮ ಈ ಸರ್ತಿದ ಪವರ್ ಪರ್ಬಡು 150 ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ ಉಂಡು. ಬೇತೆ ರಾಜ್ಯದ ಬೈದೇರು ನಮ್ಮನ ಕಾಶ್ಮೀರಡು ಪಸಿನ ಒರಿಸ್ಸಾ ಮುಟ್ಟ ಗುಜರಾತ್, ಮಹಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರ, ಗೋವಾ, ಕೇರಳ ಫುಡ್ ಬೈದಂడి ಈ ಸಲ. ಮಸ್ತ್ ನಮಕ್ ಖುಷಿ ಆವಂದು ಬೊಕ್ಕ ವೆರೈಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ ಉಂಡು. ಐಟ್ ಮುಲ್ಪ ಸಿಕ್ಕಂದಿನಂಚಿನ ವಸ್ತುಗಳು ಮಾತ ಅಲ್ಪ ತಿಕ್ಕೊಂದುಂಡು. ನಿಗಲ್ ಜನಗಳು ಪೂರ ಬತ್ತದ ಅವೇನು ತೂವೊಲಿ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಲ್ಪೊಲಿ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಶಾಪಿಂಗ್ ಮಲ್ಪೊಲಿ. ನಿಗಲ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ದಿನ ಬಲೆ ನಮ್ಮನ ಆನಿ ಪೂರ ನಿಗಲ್ ತೋದು ಬೋಲೆ ಆಲೋಚನೆ ಮಲ್ಪಲೆ. 2ನೇ ದಿನ ನಿಗಲಿಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಶಾಪಿಂಗ್ ಮಲ್ಪಲೆ. 3rd ದಿನ ರೇಣು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ನ ಒಂದು 3rd ದಿನ ನಿಗಲೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಲ್ಪೊಲಿ ಅಲ್ಪ ಅಂಚ 3 ದಿನ ಈ ಪರ್ಬ ನಡತೊಂದುಂಡು. ನಿಗಲೆ ಪೂರ ಗಲೆಗಲೆ ಯಾನ ಒಂದು ಮಲ್ಪೊಲಿ. ಈ ಸಲ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಉಂಡು. ಅವು ಚನ್ನಪಟ್ಟಣದ ಗೊಂಬೆ కావి ఆర్ట్ ఒక మన్నడు మల్పినంచిన ప్రొడక్ట్ పురావుల ఒక ನಮ್ಮ ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್ ಉಂಡು ಜೋಕುಲೆಗ್ ಪಡಾದು ಮಹಿಳೆ ಪಡೆದ ಕಿಚನ್ ಕುಕ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ರೀಲ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಮಲ್ತೊಂದುಲ್ಲ ఒక ಬ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಉಂಡು ಬ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್ ಉಂಡು ಸಾಂಸ್ಕೃತಿಕ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಉಂಡು ಕಲಾಮಯ ನಮ್ಮನ ಉಡುಪಿದ ಒಂಜಿ ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತಿನ ಬಿಂಬಿಸಲೊಂಚಿನ ಒಂಜಿ ತಂಡವು ಆಗಲ್ನ ಒಂಜಿ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಉಂಡು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಡೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಾಂಸ್ಕೃತಿಕ ಮತ್ತು ಕನ್ನಡ ಮತ್ತು ಸಾಂಸ್ಕೃತಿಕ ಇಲಾಖೆದಾಗಲ ಒಂಜಿ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಮಾಡಪ್ಪುಡು ಐತ ಮರ್ದಿನ ಬೊಕ ನಮ್ಮನೆ ಮೆಂಬರ್ ಫ್ಯಾಷನ್ ಶೋ ಮಲ್ತೊಂದುಲ್ಲೆರ್ ಐತ ಮರ್ದಿನ ಮಂಜಿತ್ ಆಗಲ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಮ್ದಾಗಲ ಒಂಜಿ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಉಂಡು ವೆರೈಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಉಂದೇನು ಈವೆಂಟ್ ಸಬ್ ಈವೆಂಟ್ ಮಲ್ತೊಂದುಲ್ಲ ಬೊಕ ವೆರೈಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ ಉಂಡು ವೆರೈಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಉಂಡು ಮಾತಗಲ ನಿಗಿಲ್ ಬರೋಡು ಮಾತಗಲ ಮತ್ತಿದು ಶಾಪಿಂಗ್ ಮಲ್ಪಲೆ ಮಸ್ತ್ ಮಸ್ತ್ ಶಾಪಿಂಗ್ ಮಲ್ಪೊಡು ನಿಗಿಲ್ ಬೊಕ ಈ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮನ್ನು ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಲ್ಪೊಡು ಬಂದು ಕೇನೊಂದು
students, second year students of hotel management, nutrition and hello. Yeah, thank you madam and entire team for the opportunity. Thank you so much.
I call upon Tanuja for a small memento to the students. Yeah.
We have Vice President saying about power, the excitement, the energy, the synergy. When you look into it, you know that what is power. So power is an organization which we have come into force in 2009 with only 11 members. But today if you stand and see, it is more than 100 members. So we can shout, we can laugh, we can do anything together. That is what the proof which is when we have launched Power Parva this year. So every alternate year we have Power Parva, and every year we are taking a greater and greater milestone with various things added up every year, and we have been successful. And today also we know that everybody's blessings, sponsors and all the work help them extended to us. I know that this year also will be a great success for us. So we have all the members over here standing here to put a step forward in this Power Parva. So I just want to tell you is we are here to create, we are here to lead, and we are here to empower. With this, I would like to hand over the mic.
So this is what magic makes when women are in the scene, sir. Not that the apprentices are all not women in there, but when power women come together, they always make a difference, a positive difference in the society. And so we have this power event. Sir has been very supportive throughout the. So we see not just the exhibitors, but a lot of skill training sessions happening. We see because of Sir's idea, we could bring in physical disability stall. 5 of them are putting up their products in our Parva for the first time. And in addition to, of course, there is a lot of entertainment competitions which happens every other year. This is the 5th edition, and we are so grateful to all of us for being here. I now request our pre-event coordinator and past president Shruti Chennai to introduce our Mr. Pratik Sir, Jilla Panchayat CEO.
If you take his degree, it is long list. It is BTech Mechanical Engineer, PG Urban Planning Development, Indira Gandhi University, Delhi, Master of Public Management, JNU, Delhi, LLM, Professional National Law College, University, Delhi, Masters of Business Laws. It can go on so long, but it's really pleasure to have you, sir. Service experience, Provident Fund Commissioner, Ministry of Labour and Employment, Government of India,
Subdivision Magistrate in Delhi and Andaman Nicobar Islands, Civil Services, Ministry of Home Affairs, Government of India, Indian Forest Service, Union Territories, Kerala. So the list goes on, and it's really great pleasure to have you, sir. And the moment I still remember that when we just entered into his office, he was just thinking about the welfare of the Udupians and always been thinking about the disability. He was telling ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ stall ಅವರಿಗೆ ಮೀಸಲಾಗಿ ಇರಲೇಬೇಕು. So this is the first time we are coming up with this, sir. It's a pleasure to have you and welcome you for this pre-event inaugural or flag off, we can say. We're all set here for you to just raise a flag so that we can enter into a 3 days, 7th, 8th, 9th is a power parva. We would love to have you here also.
Cheers to all the powerful people present here. See, this is a great opportunity, I would say, and it's almost very rare to come across such groups who are really working for the society, who are really working for strengthening the half of the section of the country, women. When we say women empowerment, it's not just that we have to just extend the helping hand. It has to be extended by providing them with the platforms like that you have provided, so that they can come out of their house, they should come out of their household activities and contribute to the society. When I was studying economics, there is a particular terminology that they use, female labor force participation rate. For our country, although the women contributes to 50% of the population approximately, if you see their labor force participation rate and their contribution to the economy, due to various reasons, it remains somewhere less than 15%. So platforms like Platform for Women Entrepreneurship holds a huge opportunity for the women to come out of their houses, and it actually encompasses all the sections of the society, not just that the empowerment of women only curtails the women which are coming from the higher sections of the society. We in Udupi district run a program by name National Rural Livelihood Mission, which aims to provide self-empowerment and self-employment to the women self-help groups. In Udupi district, we have more than 9,500 self-help groups registered and working in 155 Gram Panchayats. And if you see, we have 1.5 lakh women entrepreneurs registered in the rural parts of Udupi. There are positive aspects about it, there are negative aspects about it. Positive aspects now nodidre, they work in both food and non-food segments. They work in both manufacturing, product manufacturing to services segments, including the catering services. We have almost 217 recognized distinguished recognized products that these women manufacture. There is a long way to go, because some of these women entrepreneurs, they are working at a small scale. They could not come up and form the companies or could get access to such kind of investment which they deserve. So when the team from the Power approached me, this is something that I have also informed them, that not only the usual activity that you do, if you can provide or extend your platform to our women self-help group, as well as there are tremendously, like you can't measure that skill actually. So we have physically disabled and differentially able people. We run special schools for specially challenged people, and they have excellent craftsmanship. So they do handicrafts, they do decorative items, artistic items. So I requested for if you can provide certain stores for them also, so that they can get an access to the markets. And I am really glad that the whole team has readily accepted that request also. So you will be first time seeing an integration on this platform and some contribution from the side of physically challenged people also. request you, it is not only a marketing exercise but also a networking exercise. There are number of empowered women which are present here, powerful women present here. When you just see through the self-help group stalls, and when you see and experience the products of which are manufactured by our women self-help group from the rural Udupi as well as by the specially challenged people, please see how you can help them into creating an enterprise or to scale their businesses up, to provide them access to the markets, to provide them fundings, or to provide them business or to develop their products into a successful business. It would be a great opportunity for networking also. So I would just like to say that we all should utilize this as a great opportunity to network, to develop relations, and to see this platform as a launchpad from where we will take our businesses to the next level and then this district to a next level. And I would like to again congratulate the whole team of Power for organizing this great event. They have been telling me that it's almost 16 long years that we have been working on, and I would just like to wish more power to you to further come up with such kind of projects, and may this relationship and that you have developed with the district administration grow more and more. More power to you. Thank you.
Of Power for successfully conducting the 5th edition of Power Parva. I'm proud to say that we have been a part of Power Parva by different organizations in all these 5 editions. This time I'm here as the president of Women's Doctors Wing of Udupi. So this is a new club that has begun around 2 to 3 years back. And this time we have joined Power Parva to get a difference. We have decided to have a small stall put up in Power Parva by the women doctors, and here we shall be giving free service to the ladies who come to the stall and get the free blood sugar and BP tested. Because when it comes to health, our women are always one step back. So they never take care of their health. We thought amidst this shopping spree, they can come and just get a simple blood test and blood sugar levels tested. So in case we find any of these abnormal things, then they can consult the family physician at the earliest. This counter we shall not be disposing any medicines or giving any advices, but we shall be only checking and making sure that we get some undiagnosed cases and we can take care of it before any disaster happens. So this is a small step from our side. On Sunday we shall be having a bone density test too. So I request all of you all to come to the counter and take the benefit. Thank you so much.
So I wish Power Parva a great success. Thank you.
Thank you so much. And I would also like to Udupi.
Members in the dais and of the dais, it is great. Nari Shakti is very strong. Just this 100 people are doing 20,000 footfalls of Power Parva. It's way long to go. All the best team, and coming year it will be a next edition of very strong Power Parva. All the best. All the best.
I am Project Director, DRDA Jilla Panchayat. Respected CEOs sir and dignitaries in the dais and of the dais. As sir said, if you see our census report as well as human development report, women participation is very less. As sir said, it's less than 20%. This is the one best opportunity for the women to participate in this Power Parva, so that their economy and their actually livelihood will be actually nourished, and it will be give them an opportunity to sell their product in your Power Parva. We have got more than 250 to 300 women entrepreneurs under NRLM. As sirs, with sirs intervention, if you agree with me or not, we have identified more than 100 catering team in our district. So we have 100 more than women entrepreneurs coming only in the field of catering. Now sir has directed all the Gram Panchayat and our district administration. They have to, we have in our meeting, we have to take catering service from only from those women entrepreneurs. That's the best thing for our women. So that's sir's actually idea. So we are actually every day he is discussing with us about only about this women entrepreneurship and the product that produced from women, what we have to do, marketing and branding, all those things we'll discuss in